Greetings. Today, we continue part 13 of our Peptide Series, exploring Semax and its potential benefits. Peptides are short chains of amino acids made by our bodies that act as powerful signaling molecules. Like hormones, peptides deliver messages to cells to trigger actions. Compared to hormones, peptides are much more specific in their instructions to cells. They perform all kinds of functions, such as triggering repair, regeneration, metabolic balance, activation of specific functions, and performance optimization. Because of their precision, peptides are becoming increasingly popular in longevity, regenerative medicine, and performance-focused health protocols. Semax is a cognitive support peptide that enhances memory, focus, and neuroprotection. It supports brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF activity, and helps protect neurons from stress and oxidative damage. Semax is often used in performance and brain health discussions. Semax, the Russian brain booster that makes your neurons high-five each other. The origin story: Semax is a synthetic heptapeptide, metglu-his-Pro, modeled after a fragment of adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH. Developed in Russia by the Institute of Molecular Genetics, it was created for cosmonauts and military personnel who needed razor-sharp focus under extreme stress. Yes, you read that right. Semax was space-grade brain fuel before it became the darling of the biohacking crowd. The Russians didn't mess around. They tested it on everything from stroke patients to healthy students cramming for exams. The results? So good they made it a prescription drug in Russia and Ukraine. Nasal spray, of course, because why swallow when you can snort science? I'm the digital avatar of Dr. Max MacCloud, aka the Nutrition Ninja Doc. His passion and purpose are to solve health problems to help people achieve their health, performance, and appearance goals. He utilizes AI to save time, allowing him to spend it helping others. With over 45 years of clinical experience, he has acquired extensive specialized health-related knowledge that he wants to share, hence his videos. Please note that this is not medical advice. It is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Consult your trusted progressive healthcare provider before making any significant changes in your health regimen. Now, let's get back to today's topic, but before that, I ask you to please hit the like button if you find this information helpful. Subscribing to this channel helps get this information to more people. Semax is like a personal trainer for your brain cells. It does four main things. Cranks up BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. BDNF is the fertilizer that makes neurons grow, connect, and basically throw a growth party. Semax increases BDNF expression by up to 800% in some brain regions. Translation: your brain literally gets smarter and more resilient. Boosts dopamine, serotonin, and acetylcholine. More dopamine equals motivation, focus, and that I got this feeling. More serotonin equals calm confidence. More acetylcholine equals laser-like memory and attention. Reduces stress without sedation. Unlike benzos that turn you into a couch potato, Semax lowers cortisol and anxiety while keeping you sharp. It's like telling your fight or flight system, relax, but stay ready. Neuroprotective superhero. It protects neurons from damage, stroke, trauma, oxidative stress, promotes repair, and reduces inflammation. Think of it as a shield and repair crew in one tiny bottle. Anxiety. What anxiety? Clinical trials in Russia showed a 60 to 80% reduction in anxiety scores in generalized anxiety disorder patients. Users report feeling calm without being zoned out, perfect for high-pressure situations. Focus and productivity on steroids, minus the actual steroids. Students and executives love it. A study on healthy volunteers found improved memory, attention, and mental endurance after just a few days. One biohacker called it Adderall's chill cousin. Mood lift. Without the crash, Semax increases dopamine and serotonin signaling, helping with mild depression or the blah feeling. No withdrawal, no tolerance buildup. Brain protection and recovery, used clinically in Russia for stroke, traumatic brain injury, and cognitive decline. It speeds recovery and protects against further damage with neuroprotection on demand. Bonus perks. Some users report better sleep architecture, faster learning, and even mild pain relief. It's like upgrading your brain's operating system. Semax is almost always used as a nasal spray. Fastest absorption, bypasses liver. Standard protocols from Russian clinical use and Western biohackers. Beginner, daily cognitive boost, 200 to 300 mcg, 1 to 2 sprays per nostril, once daily, 5 to 10 days on, 3 to 5 days off. Therapeutic anxiety or recovery, 400 to 600 mcg twice daily, morning plus afternoon, 10 to 14 days on, 1 to 2 weeks off. High dose, stroke, neuroprotection. Up to 1,000 to 2,000 mcg day, split doses, short cycles under medical supervision. Cycle smart. It's not something you take forever. Most people do 2 to 4 week cycles, then break. No major tolerance issues reported. Side effects? Rare as a unicorn sighting. Mild nasal irritation at most. No dependency, no withdrawal. Semax isn't going to turn you into a genius overnight, but it might just make you feel like one on the days you need it most. In a world full of stress, brain fog, and I can't even energy, Semax is the peptide that quietly shows up, gives your neurons a pep talk, and says, let's do this. And when you suddenly remember where you parked your car, finish that project without hating yourself, and feel calm in the middle of chaos, you'll understand why people whisper about it like it's a secret weapon. To sharper days and calmer nights. I'm Dr. Max MacCloud's avatar. He's a progressive physician and health optimization specialist with the Age Reversal Technology Center in Lakewood Ranch, Florida. P.S. Curious if Semax or other brain-boosting peptides could level up your focus, mood, or recovery? Call us at 941-806-5511 to book a free peptide discovery call and tell you about our peptide therapy coaching program.